In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shared images to the shared album that the members share. Alright, so first you need to log in. Okay, from here you'll hover over members. You'll see shared gallery. Just click on that. So right now it's empty, so I'm going to go ahead and add some media. And you'll pull it off of your computer. So I'm just going to do a test one right here. Open, and now it's added. So when you see other images on here, you're going to see who posted it. You're going to have some options in here. If you're the one that posted it, you can delete it, you can share it, or you can report it if you feel like the image is inappropriate. You can also give it a little like right there. If you click on the image, you can see some more info in here. You can add a description. So edit description, share, report, same other stuff that you saw before. You can also tag members. So this has the list of all the members on the website. So you can pick somebody and then hit done, and they'll be tagged on this. So if there are some people that were at the same event, you can tag them on here so they can see the images. And if there's more images, you can just scroll over. Any member can post on the shared folder or the shared album. So feel free to share your images with the rest of the members.